Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your Test and Live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at your Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Home section if you're not already there. Next, look for the Developers tab. It's usually found in the left-hand menu or sidebar. Click on Developers to access the area containing all the technical tools and configuration settings. Inside the Developers section, you'll see an option labeled API Keys. Click on it to open the page where both your Test and Live API keys are stored. The Test API keys are for development and testing purposes, while the Live API keys handle real transactions once your app goes live. You can easily copy your keys by clicking the copy icon or button next to each one. And that's it. So that is how you can get your Test and Live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.